Excel Chapter 4, pages 194 through 197. Starting with creating a line chart. Page 194, step number 1. First of all, it's just making sure that you're still within the same document. Step number 2, go to the Fund History worksheet. In the Fund History worksheet, select A4 down to D44. This range contains the data for the value of the New Century Fund, the average value of large growth funds, and the value of the S&P 500 for each quarter of 2004 through 2013. On the ribbon, click your Insert tab. In the Charts group, click Line. You're going to select in the 2D section the first chart, which is a line chart. Step number 5, in the Location group, which is the last group on the far right-hand side, click that Move Chart button. Step number 6, click the Object In arrow. There's the arrow, and select Summary Report, and click OK. Move and resize the chart to cover the range D1 through I9. All right, so we're just going to grab it in a white area, and we're going to move it up so it's in D1. Then we're going to grab the lower right-hand corner sizing handle and size it so that it covers D1 through I9. And you can just let go. Make sure that you're right there. It doesn't have to be, sometimes it's almost impossible to get it exactly perfect, but this is darn close. Take a look at figure 4-20 at the bottom of page 194 so that you can get an idea of what yours should look like. All right, when you have it sized correctly, let's move to the top of page 195. Click the Chart Tools Layout tab. In the Labels group, click the Chart Title button and select Above Chart. That chart title pop in right there. Step number 3, type Fund History and then press Enter. There it is. Always check for typos. Step number 4, click the Home tab. Step number 5, in the Font group, click the Size box and then click 10. The chart title is reduced to 10 points. Step number 6, click the value axis and then set its font size to 8 points. Home tab, Font group, Font box, 8. Step number 7, click the category axis. Make sure it's selected, sizing handles go around it, and set its font size to 8 points. Home tab, Font group, Font size box, 8. Click the chart legend to select it, then set its font size to 8 points. Reach up, click Save, keep going. Next, you'll change the scale using the value axis so that the values range from $0 to $20,000 in $5,000 increments. Double-click the value axis. That opens the Format Axis dialog box. Okay, if you single-clicked twice, which was too slow, just try again and double-click it until you get this Format Axis dialog box open. Next to Maximum, click Fixed. It's currently set at 18,000. Change it to 20,000. Step number 3. Next to Major Unit, click Fixed. It's currently set at 2,000. Change it to 5,000. And then in the lower right-hand corner, click the Close button. The scale of the vertical axis ranges from 0 to $20,000 in $5,000 increments. Read formatting data labels, and then flip to page 196 to format the category axis labels. Step number 1, double-click the category axis to open the Format Axis dialog box with the axis options displayed. Next to Major Unit, click Fixed, and you want it to be 2. Alright, Major Unit, Fixed, and let's change it to 2. And then, right here where it says months, hit that down pointing arrow and select years. Okay, so now your major units are fixed to years. Step number 3. Next to minor units, click Fixed. It's already got a 1 in it, which is what we want. And then we want this one also to be in years. Alright, take a look at figure 4-21 and make sure that yours matches. Go ahead and read right underneath figure 4-21, particularly the bulleted points. You need to read it all, but those bulleted points you need to take a look at. Alright, at the top of page 197, to create a custom format for the 4-digit year, number 1, on the left side of this Format Axis dialog box, click Number. Type 4 lowercase y's with no spaces in between them in the Format Code box. Step number 3, click the Add button. The 4-digit year format code is added to the list of custom formats, and it's selected. Click the Close button in the lower right-hand corner. The Format Axis dialog box closes, and the category axis labels show values for every other year in the major tick marks. Alright, that's the end of this video. Let's go on to the next one.